Okay guys, this is like my everyday kind of makeup look that I do because it's like very glam, but it's really easy. I literally did it in like, I think 10 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. But yes, if you're bad at makeup or if you're good at makeup, if you know a lot about makeup, if you know nothing about makeup, you should watch this video anyway. And I'm going to teach you how to do this. Okay, well, let me show you how to do it. Yeah, so I just woke up this morning and I have like a sense of dread and anxiety, and like there's just a pit in my stomach and I don't know why. But anyway, I am gonna do my makeup. We're gonna use all of these, and yeah, I like to start with my eyes because I learned years and years and years ago, I learned from like, I think it was a YouTube makeup artist or something, that you're supposed to do your eyes first, and I've just been doing it ever since. I don't know if that's right, but I'm using these Urban Decay Naked eyeshadow sticks. I'm just gonna put on my lid. But yeah guys, I don't know, I woke up this morning and you ever just wake up anxious and then your entire day is just like, oh, something bad's gonna happen, isn't it? Like I literally feel like something bad's gonna happen. Even though I know it's not, and I'm just like freaking out for no reason. But I just I can't shake the feeling, you know? I can't shake the feeling that something bad is gonna happen. I actually don't really know how to do my makeup that well, so I'm just showing you guys what I do though. This one, it's like this shade, so I like to do it for like inner eye highlight, like boom, boom. It just makes you look more awake.
Hey, how y'all doing?
I like to blend it out a bit because it does look kind of crazy. I'm using this brush. I don't know what the proper brush is for anything is. I kind of just improvise and use whatever is calling me and whatever feels right. I'm not an MUA. If you're wondering what I'm doing my makeup for, to make TikToks and go to the gym. That's it. Okay. For my base, I'm using these. This is like some Urban Decay Tint Moisturizer, and this is like the e.l.f. Halo Glow. It's like the Charlotte Tilbury dupe. Oh, I forgot. I always take a little eyeliner thing and I draw a little dot on myself because my mom taught me that it like combats nausea. I don't know if that's true, but that's what she told me. So ever since she told me that, I've just been doing it because why not? I kind of just dab, 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 dab. And then I smudge, 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 smudge. Then I kind of do the same thing with this. Well, this one I actually put on my finger because it's, I don't know, I just do. So then I have it all on my face and I take a sponge and I just I probably could have put more on, but I didn't, so whatever. I don't know if it was a makeup artist on YouTube or in real life, I don't know, but you're supposed to do your cream slash liquid products first and then you go over it with powder. So this is my blush. It's like the Bennett tint, but it's not the original. It's the, oh no, it's the Play tint. And then I use this, which I think is also a Charlotte Tilbury dupe. I don't really know how to use it. I kind of just go. And then that's it. And then I blend that out. And then I do it on my nose like a little. Guys, like, I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't know what I do when I do my makeup. I just do it. I just do it and it looks pretty good to me. So, okay, then I have this brush that I go I know it looks really muddy. That's because it is. That's because it is. Wait, why'd I actually kind of blend that out kind of good?
Slay! Slay!
Can I just do that? Okay, the key for blush is you have to smile really big when you blend it out. So what I do is I and then you just dab it. Nose. Dab it again. You have to smile so you can get the apples of your face. This is like a very beginner's makeup tutorial, I'd say. So if you've never done makeup before, you want to know how, then maybe this will help you. It kind of like lifted my face a bit, I think. To me, it looks like it did. Now that that's all done, we move on to the powders, which I have this Hoola bronzer, I have this like SPF powder, and then I have a setting powder, which I use underneath my eyes. Final steps is using one of my all-time favorite makeup brands, Kulfi. So I'm going to use the brow gel, and I'm going to use 2 of their lip products to show you like this bruised lip I like to do every day. And then I'm going to use their mascara. So first the brow gel. I don't really do anything to my brows other than like a clear gel. And sometimes I have like brow blindness. Like the other day, yesterday, I was like, why are my brows so thin? But now that I'm looking at them today, I'm like, wait, they're kind of thick. So I don't know, it just depends. And I like to brush them upwards because I like to feather them out a bit. At the end, I like go down. This one is shade Fig, this one is shade Guava. And what I do, I have a whole technique. I make little dots on my lips. And this makes my lips look like kind of bruised, kind of like I just got lip filler, which I love that look for some reason. For some reason, I just love that look. So that's why I do it. Okay, so now you can see I dotted both shades. I'm gonna take my little finger, whatever, take my finger and just blend them into each other. It kind of made my lips look like dark and like plummy, a little bit bruised, which I like. I like that look a lot, actually. Honestly, I don't even have to go over this with anything. I was gonna go over it with the Rhode lip balm in PB&J, but I don't really have to, but I think I will just to judge it up a bit. It's kind of like the same exact color. Just to make my lips look more goopy and glossy. I love a goopy, glossy lip. Some people might not want a lip this dark for every day, but I do. This is my twin. It was a lifelong dream of mine to have an American Girl doll, because when I was younger, my parents just didn't buy me one because like obviously they were so expensive. They were like $200 or something for a doll, and so it was always my dream in life to have one. So I bought myself one, and now I have one, and I love her. I literally like, she's like a stuffed animal to me. Like I fall asleep holding her, and in a way it's kind of healing my inner child because I feel like I'm holding like younger me. Okay, mascara time. This is a tubing mascara, which honestly I don't really like. I don't really mess with tubing mascara. Ooh, yeah, I can't. I gotta use the mirror. I don't really like tubing mascaras, but I wear it anyway. Okay, so this is the final look. Like my everyday go-to makeup look. I don't know. And I love it. And I wear this everywhere. I wear it to the grocery store, to the gym. I'm a makeup to the gym truther. I will get into that another time. But I wear it to the gym, I wear it to the grocery store, I wear it to the doctors, I wear it everywhere. I don't really know what else to say, so I'm just gonna end the video. Okay, bye. Oh, I was trying to get her to cover it.